Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Windows 11 25H2, a new security update codenamed KB5072. You can install this update directly via your official Windows Update channel. Open the Settings app or My PC Properties and then open Windows Update. In 25H2 systems, this update will be available OTA after December 1st week. Here you can see in my PC it's already installed, and to complete the updating process, I just need to restart my PC. You will also get some Intel driver updates, optionally, depending on your PC or motherboard model. To access optional updates, open Advanced Options, and then you will get the optional update. Here I have 4 optional Intel updates also. Install those updates also to get better performance for your systems. Select all 4 updates and install them. Please wait to complete the download and installation process. After completing, restart your PC to finish the update process. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.